Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. I have a few things to clean around the house and things that I've just been neglecting to do and slacking on, so I'm going to show you the realness of my apartment. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm about to clean this messy ass bathtub. I have like, you know how you get that like mold all around your bathtub? So I got to clean it and I got to clean out the grout and stuff, so let's get to it. Well, I wish my bathroom was bigger so I could actually like bring the camera in. I have a really tiny apartment and rude ass airplane. Anyways, we have a really tiny apartment, so our bathroom is nothing special. It's just small, but this is my favorite thing. I feel so lightheaded right now. That's why I have the window open, and I have to make sure I open all the windows in the house because well, originally it's just bleach. I'm pretty sure. But I added bleach to it because I ran out, so I just put bleach and water in here and it like foams up with the spray bottle. So I don't think I'm going to be buying more of this. I'll probably just put bleach in it and just spray it. But yeah, all that mold and mildew, like I just hate that. It's so annoying and I just feel like it never goes away. I can spray this like a million times and I'm going to scrub the tiles next with the scrub brush. But y'all, I can't. Hopefully one day we can get the dream bathroom that we want and not have to deal with this apartment living life, because I just, first of all, who picks yellow tiles? Like, so irritating. I don't understand. Let me make a bathroom. Let me make it yellow. It's so random. Like, why? I don't know. But I'm gonna get back to work. I'm gonna let this sit just for a few more minutes and then I'm gonna scrub it to try to get the little stuff out of the grout lines. So that's what's up next.
Everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. Come and say something, I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing, the moment's getting lost. Ain't no time we're stopping, so show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me.
Yeah.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me,
All the eyes are all on me.
all the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me.
Loving the attention, I feel we're so close. Building up tension till it's about to blow. Another dimension, I already know. I know you can feel it, but what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on
working up a sweat. For real, I'm sweaty. So now I just have to do dishes and just clean up this stuff. Every single day this gets wrecked. So I need to do that. Sweep out the back. I need to clean this freaking refrigerator, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that right now. My son wants to say something. Oh gosh, you're heavy.
And of course I'm here.
Yep, everybody knows you're stay at home mom life. I think I might just clean out this refrigerator, y'all. I'm getting tired, but gotta do what I gotta do. And then next up is the room, which I just have to straighten up and stuff. So let's get to dishes. So I'm done with the kitchen. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm starting to feel like woozy and lightheaded. Y'all know I got health problems a little bit, but I'm tired. I'm gonna go upload my vlog right now. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my vlog channel if you haven't already. My son is over here playing his game, so I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna come back. I'm tired. Who says being a stay-at-home mom is not a job? I don't know how y'all moms out here working and cleaning and doing all this stuff, but this is part of my job, so don't get paid, unfortunately. But the house has to get cleaned some way or another, so I guess I'm gonna be the one to clean it. All right, y'all, so I decided to take a break. I'm still ventilating the house, so I'm actually cold, but I think I'm gonna continue this cleaning video and make it like the ultimate cleaning video, and I'll do like a part 2. So for now, I'm done. I'm just tired and my body needs a break. Chronic pain problems, but yeah, it's almost time for me to make dinner anyway. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this part of the video, and I'll come back at you in the next part. All right, you guys, so it is a few days later now, and this is what happens when you come home past your son's bedtime. Yesterday we went out to Walmart to go get groceries and some stuff that we needed, and now this pile looks a mess and my closet looks a mess. This is my real life. This is how things go down here. Gotta clean up this mess, and I don't have a dresser, so every week this ends up like this. So I'm gonna clean it while I watch Being Mary Jane on Netflix, because you gotta have your shows or your YouTube while you clean to make it a little more tolerable, right? Thumbs up this video and let me know down below if you guys do that too. I'm gonna get to cleaning now. you guys, I'm done for today. Not exactly an ultimate cleaning video, but I did get a lot of stuff done over the past few days that I've been meaning to do. Next cleaning video will probably be like deep cleaning, because there's a lot of deep cleaning that I need to do around the house. I got the bathroom done. I had to deep clean the kitchen, and I had to also deep clean the living room. So give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below if you like watching cleaning videos. I enjoy watching cleaning videos while I'm cleaning. Let me know if you guys enjoy them the same. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos and other content here on my channel. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.